Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in the Ukraine. On tonight's menu, Ukrainian Sauerkraut soup. The morning mise en place, just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Added the bacon to the Dutch oven and cooking it up. Here's the finished bacon. I add the pork to sear. Flip to the second side. Here's the seared pork. I add the onions and saute. I add the carrots and saute for a little bit. Remove the veggies and add the pork back to the Dutch oven. Add some water. And simmer for about 45 minutes. And then I cut up the pork and add all the veggies. And then simmer for about 15 minutes. Then I add the sauerkraut. And simmer for another 5 minutes. Here's after simmering for 5 minutes. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have fun cooking.